Hi, and thanks for tuning in to the latest video weather briefing from the National Weather Service in San Diego. Here's a look at the weather that we're going to highlight: the showers, a little bit of mountain snow, and the strong winds in the mountain desert slopes for Monday night through Tuesday evening. This video is recorded on May 5th, 2014. The video is about 3 minutes long. Hope you enjoy. This is Alex Tardy, meteorologist here at the National Weather Service. Here's the summary and highlights for late Monday night through early Tuesday and continuing through Tuesday evening. Scattered showers developing after midnight tonight, becoming numerous Tuesday morning, tapering off late Tuesday afternoon and evening. Cooler temperatures thanks to this storm system and the deep marine layer. Snow level around 7,000 feet tonight, lowering to 5,500 feet Tuesday afternoon. Look for those strong winds developing in the mountain passes with gusts exceeding 60 miles per hour. This will impact areas on Interstate 8 and Interstate 10. Also small craft over the waters as the storm system quickly moves through, bringing up rough seas and high winds. A little bit of light snow can impact some roadways through Tuesday evening as the system moves through. Precipitation amounts, mostly light, but also a wetting rain, 1/10 of an inch on the coast to about 4/10 of an inch just inland and the inland valleys, heaviest for the foothills in San Diego County. 1/2 inch to an inch for the coastal slopes, that's the west-facing slopes of our mountains. Only 500ths or a trace in the desert areas, and locally, only locally, an inch or two above 6,500 feet of new snowfall. Here's a look at the hazard map. What we have going right now is a small craft advisory for the waters, a wind advisory for the immediate coast. Most of this will be just behind the storm system Tuesday afternoon. And also take a look at the high wind warning for the desert mountain slopes as the strong winds developed tonight and they continue through Tuesday. What are the maximum wind gusts expected? Well, along the coast, we expect wind gusts in the lower 30s for the windiest locations as shown here from Del Mar to San Diego. For inland areas, note the areas in the red and purple. That's over 60 miles per hour with strongest winds exceeding 70 miles per hour. That impacts parts of Interstate 8, Highway 78, and also Interstate 10 as shown here. The winds will start to decrease over the area Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Precipitation. Some areas will see very little precipitation, such as northern parts of Orange County and parts of the Inland Empire. But as you go just inland, precipitation will be widespread with 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch for most locations along Interstate 15 corridor and eastward. Note a little bit more precipitation in San Diego County. And the western slopes or our coastal slopes, those areas likely are to receive widespread 1/4 to 1/2 inch with areas most favored 1 inch of rain in the wettest locations. Here's a look at the weather pattern that we expect by Tuesday afternoon. A fairly cold storm system, similar but not as cold to the system we saw about 10 days ago. It'll take a similar path, carving across Southern California before ejecting to the east, as shown here for Tuesday afternoon. Here are some links to check the latest hazards that are in effect. Those include advisories, watches, and warnings. Also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and you can see the latest information on weather.gov San Diego. Thanks for tuning in and for supporting the Weather Ready Nation.